It's need a lie. This song is for those who are capable of holding the mic with or without decisions. Yo, first of all, let me get it started with all the beef and hatred. This game is tough enough, bitch. First you all gotta upgrade it. My dog's back, now y'all have to face it. This rap world of being a better place, better face to fit in. No racism or religion, we're all human, just stressing it. Facing the demons that's born within. Suffer every day like you'd beg for sins. Second thoughts, it's poison. Rappers these days just a noise bomb or noise pollution. Tryna go supersonic flow like you own them. But you're gonna need a doctor on site for cause I'm a viper. One spit and you're over. Finally the microphone is mine. And I'm increasing the tempo. Bitch, go check a cell phone. Bitch, I'm ballin'. Hell no, I'm presently Earth. Bitch, you Pluto. Blown KK every day. Pop a pass, baby, rainy day. Kill shot monster, I love the way you lay. Ayy. I grew up once, I decided to pull over my sleeves. Bitch, I must be allergic to failures, cause every time I come to it, I sneeze. But I just go at you and achieve. I shot a man down and I hit him in the veins. No pain, no gain, cause now I'm gonna be gained. Baby, let it rain, I'm not gonna be slain. Yo, am I rich? No, I ain't. I fear rejection and I want attention. You crave affection and I dream of perfection. Yo, let's go. Bitches talk shit cause they think they know me, but I got balls so they'd be the first to blow me. I'm stressing over life like non-stop. I do good lot through my rap, and I'm gonna hit you a dot. Get our lap. You're back with your hit prick. I got steak and you're such a badass prick. Yo, fuck it, man. Yo,
cut it, motherfucker.